Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our chapter number 7, Shapes and Special Understanding. Today we will learn shapes. Can you name these given shapes? How many straight sides does each of these shapes have? Look at the shape below. All of its sides are straight lines, but only semicircle has a curved side and a straight line. All the sides of the shape above are joined up. They do not cross one another. We can describe it as a closed figure. You can see no any figure has any open mouth. They all are joined up. The shape above is called a polygon. And this shape has a pair of sides that crosses each other. So it is not a polygon. So what is meant by a polygon? A shape in which all the sides are joined up and they do not cross one another. We have already learned triangles, squares, rectangles, pentagons and hexagons in previous classes. Today we will learn what is heptagon. A heptagon has 7 straight sides and 7 vertices. These are the examples of heptagons. You can count the sides of these shapes. These are 7. And what is octagon? These shapes are called octagons. An octagon has 8 straight sides and 8 vertices. Are circles and semicircles are polygons? So, students, the polygons are the shapes in which sides are joined up and do not cross each other. Now we will learn what is difference between regular and irregular polygons. Look at the shapes in Jimbo's and Twinkle's posters. Jimbo has the shapes with equal sides. But in Twinkle's poster, some shapes are given having straight lines. They are not crossing each other, but the length of sides are not equal. So the shapes in Jimbo's posters have all equal sides and all equal angles. These are called regular polygons. But shapes in Twinkle's poster do not have sides and angles that are all equal. So these shapes are irregular polygons. You have to underline these definitions. A regular polygon has all equal sides and all equal angles. An irregular polygon has sides and angles that are not all equal. We can check which shapes are regular and which are irregular polygons in previous page. You can see the first shape, orange, is irregular because the sides are not equal. Pink one is regular. In octagons, green one is, this is irregular polygon. In the blue, this is regular polygon. And how to draw polygons? It is easy to draw polygons on dotted grid. You can see Jimbo is drawing polygons. Make sure the figure is a closed figure, and that is the sides do not cross each other. On page number 136, we will learn about circle. And what is circle? Yes, a circle is a shape with all the points the same distance from its center. We have learned that a circle is round and it has one curved side. This curved side is also known as circumference. This rounded line is called circumference. This arrow is showing Look at this diagram below. If we cut a slice of orange from its center to a point on the circumference, we get a straight side. This straight side is called a radius. This half side is called radius. And if we make a straight cut from a point on the circumference through the center to another point on the circumference, we get the diameter of this circle. You can see the round part, the round angle is called circumference. This dot is called the center, and the line from one point of circumference to another, a straight line, that is called diameter, and the half line from center to the circumference is called radius. And any line drawn from one point on circumference to another point and that is not crossing the center, that is called chord. This is the difference between diameter and chord. A line segment whose two end points lie on the circle is called a chord. Chord may or may not passing through the center of the circle. The diameter which is passing through the center is the longest chord. Basically, diameter is also a chord, a line from one point of circumference to another point of circumference but passing through the center. Dear students, we will solve practice on book. Question number 1 is, which of these shapes are polygons? Circle them. Yes, the figures that are not crossing each other are called polygons. On page number 137, question number 2, draw a regular octagon using the dot grid below. Dear students, you have to draw octagon, a shape having 8 straight lines and all sides should be in equal length. Question number 3 is, label the parts of a circle. You can solve question number 2 and 3 by yourself and then match your page with this given solved page. Good luck.